so for the 4-point inner thigh stretch, what we're doing here, we're gonna point the foot out 90 degrees and your right hand or the same side hand as the leg that's pointing out 90, you're gonna come cross body so it's near the other hand, and then I'm gonna drive my body weight to the side. So try and get that big toe to line up with the knee. Just gently drive the weight, and you can do it from standing too, but by bringing the hand down, we're kind of getting into that low back as well. So it's really just opening up this whole kind of side, loosening up things as we go 90 degrees out to the side.